Hello, welcome to the Great Garden Channel, a place where plant lovers gather. Do you want your orchid pot to bloom right on time, with strong, vibrant, and long-lasting flower spikes? To achieve that, in today's video, I will share a simple orchid care secret. Using only familiar, easy-to-find ingredients right in the kitchen that anyone can do. This method helps the plant grow strong, with a solid root system, thick green leaves, while also stimulating spike growth and more, even longer-lasting blooms. If you want your plants to always stay green and bloom in season, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden Channel so you won't miss useful tips. Let's get started right away. Someone dropped a lemon here. By the way, I'll pick it up and make use of it to make fertilizer for orchids. Can you guess what I will do with this lemon? Leave a comment, I will reply and share the detailed method in the video. You may not know, but lemon is not only a familiar ingredient in cooking, but also a natural helper that effectively supports orchid care, helping clean and improve the root environment. To make lemon fertilizer, first cut the lemon in half. Although simple, lemon contains vitamins and natural organic acids. When used properly, it can help clean surfaces and support nutrient absorption for the plant. Next step, squeeze the lemon into a small cup, as shown in the video. Squeeze carefully to remove the seeds, keeping only the pure lemon juice. This helps the solution become cleaner, easier to mix, and safer to use for plants, avoiding affecting roots and leaves. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Don't throw the lemon peel into the trash just yet. I will use it for the next part of the video. After that, use a clean cup, as shown in the video. Add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature. Next, pour the lemon juice into the cup and stir well. So the solution dissolves completely, creating a diluted mixture that is easy for plants to absorb. So now we have the lemon solution ready to use for the plant. Method 1. First, pour the diluted lemon juice solution into a small cup, as shown in the video. Then, use a soft cloth or clean cotton to soak the solution and gently wipe each orchid leaf surface. Wiping leaves regularly helps remove dust from the leaf surface, keeping leaves clean and well ventilated, thereby increasing photosynthesis efficiency. Lemon juice, with its mild acidity, helps clean leaf surfaces and supports limiting harmful bacteria and fungi. When wiping, pay attention to clean both the upper and lower sides of the leaves. This can be done 1 to 2 times per week to help orchids stay green and grow steadily. Do you remember the lemon peel at the beginning of the video? Now I will make use of it. First, let's cut the lemon peel into small pieces as shown in the video. Cutting into small pieces helps the essential oils and nutrients in the peel release more easily, thereby increasing effectiveness when used for plants. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. The next ingredient I use is aloe vera. Aloe vera contains many vitamins, minerals, and natural gel, helping moisturize, support recovery, and stimulate healthier plant growth. Similar to lemon, with aloe vera, I also slice it into thin pieces to help nutrients be released faster, making it easier for plants to absorb and more effective. Next step, prepare a blender and add all the chopped lemon peel and aloe vera into it. Add about 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature into the blender. Finally, close the lid and blend thoroughly so the mixture is fully combined, helping release maximum nutrients and create a solution that is easy for plants to absorb. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. After blending, we will obtain a mixture with a color, as shown in the video. At this step, I will use a strainer to remove the pulp, keeping only the clear liquid without residue. This solution helps plants absorb more easily, does not cause clogging when watering or spraying, and ensures safety for roots and leaves, helping plants grow more effectively. The remaining lemon juice solution from earlier, I will pour it into the filtered mixture. Then stir well so the components fully blend, helping enhance nutrients and create a uniform solution that is easier to use and more effective for plants. So now we have the fertilizer solution ready. Method 2. Pour the diluted aloe vera and lemon solution into a clean watering can, then water slowly and evenly around the orchid base, so the solution gradually soaks into the growing medium. Aloe vera contains many vitamins, minerals, and natural gel, helping nourish roots, support recovery, and retain moisture well for the plant. Meanwhile, lemon with its mild acidity helps clean the root environment and limit harmful fungi and bacteria. This combination helps improve the growing medium environment, stimulates strong root development, and supports orchid leaves to become thick, green, and glossy while helping the plant grow more steadily. When maintained regularly, you will notice the plant has fewer yellowing leaves, the root system becomes stronger, and the ability to absorb nutrients is significantly improved. As a result, the plant has enough energy to form strong flower spikes, buds emerge evenly, and develop better. This is a natural, safe, and easy-to-apply method, very suitable for maintaining the long-term health of orchids, helping them stay green and ready for the next brilliant blooming seasons. Method 3. Pour the processed and diluted aloe vera and lemon solution into a spray bottle, then mist evenly over the entire orchid, including leaves, stems, and root areas. This spraying method helps natural nutrients from aloe vera, along with the mild acidity of lemon, quickly penetrate through the leaf surface, supporting more effective nutrient absorption. As a result, orchids are supplemented with micronutrients in time, increasing resistance, limiting harmful fungi and bacteria, while helping roots, stems, and leaves develop evenly and healthily. You can apply this method 1 to 2 times per month to maintain plant health and help orchids grow steadily and sustainably over time. Results after 2 months of application. After about 2 months of using the solution from aloe vera and lemon, the orchid shows very clear changes. Leaves become darker green, thicker, and glossier. New leaves grow strongly, helping photosynthesis occur more efficiently. The root system also recovers quickly, with many new roots appearing with plump green tips firmly attached to the growing medium. This helps the plant absorb nutrients steadily and creates a strong foundation for long-term development. Buds and flower spikes develop evenly. The plant becomes sturdier, more buds are formed, round and healthy. When blooming, flowers retain their color well, last longer, and bloom continuously, bringing lasting beauty to the orchid pod. What do you think about this natural plant care method using aloe vera and lemon? Have you ever tried applying this method to your orchids? Share your experience in the comments. This is a well-deserved result for patience and proper care. When properly nurtured, the plant will respond with lasting vitality and delicate beauty. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss simple yet effective orchid care tips. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.